Hey, happy Wednesday, happy hump day. Today I ordered in. This is my first day back off of vacation, and I gotta be off again Friday for my sister's wedding, so I'm busy. Ran late this morning and didn't have time for lunch, so I ordered a pizza. This is not pepperoni, but this is beef and mushroom thin crust garlic crust from Pizza Hut. Took a couple of slices. For my lunch. And I got some wings today, y'all. So I also got some teriyaki Hawaiian. Now these Hawaiian something. Hawaiian teriyaki, I think. I got a 6-piece. So I'm going to take a couple of those as well. And I got blue cheese for my dipping dressing, y'all, too. Yes. Let me say my prayers. Dear Lord, thank you for this food I'm about to receive and nourish my body in Christ's name, amen. Got me some water for the drink, y'all. I had some tea, but I forgot to put it in the refrigerator. I did grab that this morning, this bottle of water out of my refrigerator. But yeah. So how's everybody Wednesday going? Got my Frank's, y'all. Put a little Frank's on my pizza. I know y'all say she put that darn Frank's on everything. That's my partner. Y'all, what's y'all favorite pizza? Like, they all have something that I like the best. This one, Papa John, Domino, Little Caesars, Pizza Hut. I can't think of nobody else right off. Marco's. I like some of the local pizza places the best, but for the chains, I really like Pizza Hut pizza the best. I like that pan crust, but I get thin. I like thin too. I like the wings at Little Caesars. I like the sandwiches at Domino. I like that garlic butter at Papa John. What's your favorite? So good, so good. I was talking to this little girl at the hotel. It's good, y'all. At the front desk, we got there at 2 o'clock in the morning. 2 o'clock, Friday night, Saturday morning. And we stayed at the Spring Hill Suites. They were real nice, by the way. That was the first time I'd ever stayed at one. By the Marriott. I was just laughing at her because that seemed like a man to be that young again and just so gung-ho and excited. I said, you work all the time like this? She said, no, I just work on, no ma'am. I just work on Fridays and Saturday nights. She said, this is my internship. I said, oh. She said, I'm about to graduate. So I asked her what she was going to school for. And she's getting her degree in hospitality management. And I was just telling her it was bode her well doing the internship. It was good, but she was so excited. All right. I wonder when you lose that excitement about, working in your career. I'm like, Man, I wish I could help tap into what she got. But she's just super excited about it. Okay. You know what was astonishing to me? I ordered this online, but it actually got a little cold because I didn't get it right away. You would think the wings came with one dipping sauce. Free. But they charge 60 cents for it. I'm like, where do they do that at? That just don't make no sense. It was real cool here today this morning, right? I let my car run a little bit before I drive off in it anyway. And so, I really when they get cold, cool. But I noticed it was like 50 something. Supposed to get up in the 70s today. But what I've noticed is that every time it get cool, the tire pressure, it'll like build up once I start to drive, but the tire pressure in my tires go down, the air pressure on them. I looked, it was like, they were all four more down, like 27, 28. What makes that happen, y'all? Any mechanics out there know? I need to go over there to Discount Tire and let them put some air in mine this evening when I get off. It says that you can get a whole pizza for almost the same price as one of those little personal pan pizzas. If you get one on a special. They need to be whooped. These wings are good, y'all. I know the day of social media is all nice and all. Yeah, but you don't think that the president should be able to tweet like that? He don't have, people react on social media without thinking sometimes. And regardless to whatever party you're in, if you just react and respond to things so quickly, like you a child, it's just not a good look. I don't know if that's a good thing. And I'm not saying restrict him, but I am saying restrict him. I take that back. He should have somebody that, like, as a buffer, like a pause button or something. Before he's just able to just, I don't know. It says a lot when your own party is getting tired of it. I don't know. It's something. He'll be said. And you know, you're in a lot of scrutiny, and so is your family when you run for public office. That being said, this is just a general question. Would any of you ever consider running for public office? I don't think I would. I don't want my life under a microscope like that. Not that there's anything bad, I just wouldn't want that. Then your family's subjected to it. And you know, they don't sign on for that stuff. It's one thing if they get in it and you already in it, but I don't know. You decide to get in it. If y'all would ever run for public office, what would it be? I guess somebody gotta do it though. Do y'all prefer y'all wings with blue cheese, ranch, or none at all? No dipping sauce. Oh. Blue cheese, y'all. I'm gonna get off of here today. Cause I got to get on back to work. I had 13 projects to review and approve. So I got to get to it. I'm not sure if I should do it. I'm gonna get me another wing, y'all. That wings was delicious. I don't want no more pizza right now. Oh. I'm actually full. That was enough. That thing says teriyaki on there, so I think it's called Hawaiian teriyaki. Oh, excuse me. I about can use up a whole dressing on one wing the way I'm dipping. So what y'all eating for lunch today? Are you off or are you working? Well, y'all. Sorry, I'm concentrating on this chicken bone. I'm good and full. I got me some new hair on today, y'all. What y'all think? It's gonna take me some getting used to this one, but it's a nice wig. I'm thinking about getting it in another color. Y'all give me y'all thoughts on this one. Anyway, let me know. These bangs, I may have to cut them or curl them. They not falling like they am all in my face. Anyway, y'all for joining me for lunch. I sure appreciate you. And you know I love you, but God loves you the most. Remember to always be kind to yourself and others. Be joyful and be blessed. And please share your smile today. Help encourage and uplift someone's day. Yeah, and sometime this week, if you can, do something, a little something for somebody. You know, grab them a drink out the drink machine, a bag of chips or something for an afternoon snack. Anyway, I'll talk with you later. See you later this week for a meal and a chat. Love you. Bye.